We're here at Sydney Zoo. We're celebrating Reese birthday in advance. Maganda rin dito talaga, babe, no? Maganda yung ganitong zoo na to. Swimming ka? Swimming! Wala pa tayo sa tigers. Okay, sige, let's go. Our safari guide. Kung nagpakarga na ang baby girl. Tingnan niya, ayaw mo na rin. Safari guide 3. Grabe, ang laki pala ng zoo na to. So, ready siya. May aquarium pa. Fascinating dito, babe. Hindi mabaho itong zoo na to. Usually kasi pag mga zoo, may amoy. Sulit na sulit itong zoo na to, babe. Very nice. Ang healthy ng itsura ng tigers. So who's going to 7 years old? Your request. Saan tayo pupunta?
We're gonna go to Australia and then reptiles, aquariums.
Can we go to the snake?
And then
I think my mind. Can we go to the snake?
yeah, we can.
Snake?
Primates. Southeast
Saan ba tayo
Asia.
ngayon?
Dito, entrance.
Okay, so right
Australia.
muna tayo. Onto the right. Let's go.
Yeah, kasi habang mainit, we can go to aquarium.
Welcome, Riri Pie.
Not dog. We see an anaconda.
Anaconda?
That, sa dingo.
Dog yun, di ba?
Dingo. Yan siya eh. Di ba sa school mo yan?
Dingo? Oh, that's your group. Happy birthday, Riri! Ano to? Kangaroo.
We're gonna jump in front of me.
Oh no! Dito, lapit ka dito, baby, oh.
Come on, here.
Western grey kangaroo. Ang dami ng kangaroos. Up close. Maganda rin dito talaga, babe, no? Maganda yung ganitong zoo na to.
Kasi parang natural pa din.
Oo nga. Natural pa rin kasi parang wala masyadong boundaries. Tapos yun, sobrang lapit lang ng access dun sa mga kangaroo. We're here at Sydney Zoo. We're celebrating Reese birthday in advance while we're here in Australia. We got an annual pass for $162 overall for the three of us. And we chose to get an annual pass rather than like a single entry pass because the single entry pass I think costs around $100. So, I mean, we just need to visit at least twice in a year so that we can maximize the cost of that. I think it's a good buy because it's very close to our homes, around 18 minutes. Let's see how we will enjoy this. Baby pie! Common wombat. Where's the common wombat? Asan? Ayun. So small. Swamp wallaby. Ayun. Yun, babe, oh. Wallaby. It's magical. Teacher Yesa. Yam plant. There's a lot of animals sleeping. It's understandable, I think, because it's a noon time. Maybe in the morning, they say in the morning there's more animals that are awake. So yeah, let's see if we can find some more animals.
I see it, Remy. Look.
Ayun, Rio.
You know.
Alright. It's like a doll on the branch. A gray doll.
Look at the nose. Can you see it? On the head.
Kita, Mari.
Up. Look up.
I think I'm like a koala. Hugger sila, oh.
Why did you decide to show us?
Ba't ba?
What were you trying to do?
Pakitaan kayo ng bat. You're so funny, baby. So kayo.
Koala is now your favorite. Is it?
Where are we headed next? Welcome to the aquarium. Ano merong animals dito?
Where's the map? We're going into a house.
Shark ba yun?
Yeah.
Dum 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 dum. It's coming at us.
Stop, Papa.
Swimming ka? Swimming! swimming. Just keep swimming. Oh, look. It's siya ng fish.
Kick it up.
Fish are friends.
We've seen one. Let's see if he comes to one. He's like, come back. I'm like, okay. I'll come back. He's telling me come.
Nahiga lang siya.
Go.
Turtle in 3, 2, 1. Look, Ri, sobrang close-up ng turtle, oh. Mahaba pala ang neck ng turtle. Talo ko sa kanya. Yung pala, sa long neck turtle. Long neck! So, may buhaya rin pala dito sa Australia. Okay, we're gonna have like a formal celebration ng birthday niya when we go home to the Philippines this Saturday. Kahapon, nagpunta kami sa Puto Play Cafe, sabi ng wife ko. And then, kumain kami sa Talawang Village na sushi bar. Sushi Chisu, something like that. Anyway, we're celebrating his birthday early here para naman ma-experience niya na siya celebrate her birthday here. There's more events coming up this week. Try to document that. That includes Christmas concert nila in the school. And then a gathering at our auntie's house. I have a leech. Uwi nga kami sa Pilipinas this Saturday. When we decided to migrate here, our condition is really to go home in the Philippines every year. Invest on that because of course those are the things that we don't want to be left out. Family gatherings, Christmas in the Philippines of course is much nicer. So yeah, I'll tell more of that story in the coming days. Yung mga paborito mong mga animals na yung mga may kita yung puwet. Wala pa tayo sa
We're going to the tigers.
Okay, sige, let's go. Our safari guide. Goodbye. pupuntahan natin, meron pang 2/3
Upo ka
sa left side.
para ma-rest mo yung pa.
Grabe, ang laki pala ng zoo na to. So, may zoo
ano
siya
pa,
at may
Southeast
aquarium pa.
Asia, may Africa pa.
Oo. Sulit naman. So, punta tayo dito sa area na to next. Let's go. Karga? Enjoy ka naman, baby girl.
Is that gorilla?
Apes! Parang Planet of the Apes.
I see gorilla.
Where's mama?
Why ghost net daw?
Anong ghost net? Look at their butt. That's so weird, no? Pink butts. Butsy. It means no worries.
So tiny. Compared to a lion, di ba?
Asia. Truly Asia. Rio, ang ganda ng monkey. Ay, orangutan pala. What's an orange? Yun ba yun? Kaya orangutan. Mind blown. There. Saan siya? Hiding. Nagtago na. Nagtago na. Dito pala siya nagpunta. Meron pa siyang para what do you call this? Yung para hanging thing. Wait, look. Ang ganda.
Oh my God, ano ba niya?
Elephants. Sponsored by Energy Australia. Fascinating dito, babe, hindi mabaho itong zoo na to. Usually kasi pag mga zoo may amoy eh. So dito chill lang. Siguro kasi open space. Ang ganda yung layout niya, relax lang rin. Tsaka I think the weather is better than kanina. Kanina kasi sobrang high, like 31 degrees. Ngayon siguro bumaba na mga 20. It's a bit cloudy na. Decorations kasi nga Christmas. Ito yung amphitheater. Siguro may mga shows dito pag ano, ibang months. Ay. Happy holidays. We're in the ball. Look, pula. Oh my God, we're red. The story, a red tree. Pasok ka, lapit ka rin. Red tree and a pink tree. The last third of our trip. Ayan, dito naman tayo mapupunta. So we're here. Dito tayo dito sa may Africa. And then go back to the world. And then go back to the entrance. Africa. Anong animals to? Ang ganda ng kulay nila, oh. Parang yellow and black spots. So, nagpakarga na ang baby girl ko. Hindi na niya kaya. Ayaw mo na, Ri. Safari guide, Ri. Okay, sige. Target na lang muna. Oh, look! It's a bridge. Very nice bridge.
That is the rhino.
Siya lang daw yung only rhino.
In Sydney?
Yeah.
Talaga? Wow. Here, tatlo pala. Wow. That's nice. Look, Rio, it's running. Plastic. No, ano kasi babe, may different vantage point eh. Parang itong mga safari dito, yung mga Africa, na mo you're very high. Parang you're on a parang elevated platform to see all of the animals. Dito, anong animals nandito? Lion Ree! Astig! There! Ba't ka tumatawa, baby? What can you see? Ano po sila? Everybody wants the lions to growl. Kung asawa ko, tinatawag pang Simba tong lion na to.
Polly.
They're wrestling.
Kanina nag-roar yung lion. We missed the opportunity to take a video. Pero, meron pa kami 52 weeks worth of chance to get to see the lions roar. Yeah. Look who's going to 7 years old na. So maraming nangyayari next week. Maliban na sa sinabi ko na Christmas concert. The year 1 students where Ree is currently in will know their year 2 classmates and year 2 teachers. So that's next week. And the teachers will also send their final report to the parents. Parang it's an online report that shows the assessment. The teachers' reports that will be sent to the parents are for the final term. So next week, in the next 2 weeks, that's the last few weeks of school here in Australia. That's week 9 and week 10. They're under the shed. Hello, snowmen. Cute nyo. Tigers! Sulit na sulit tong sunod. Very nice. Ang healthy ng itsura ng tigers, yung skins nila. Sobrang vibrant ng zoo na to. Worth it. Tuwan-tuwa. Camels this time. How are you? Happy birthday, Ri! Where's Riri Pie? Wait, hintayin! Ri! Dapat hintayin mo.